So hello everyone, I am Krishendu. Today I am going to demonstrate my project TextSage AI, an intelligent text summarization platform designed to convert lengthy textual content into concise, meaningful, and context-preserving summaries. So in today's digital environment, we frequently deal with large volume of information, including articles, report, research, documents, and other textual content. Reading all of this information can be time consuming. The main objective of TextSage AI is to help users quickly understand the most important information from a large block of text. So let's begin with the application. This is the homepage of TextSage AI. The application provides a simple and user-friendly interface where users can enter or paste a large amount of textual content for summarization. For this demonstration, I will use this. I will use a simple text. As we can see here are two fields where you can paste your text or you can upload a PDF. That PDF can be extract the text. So instead of manually upload paste the text, we are uploading one PDF. So as you can see, the text is extracted. So now I will submit the summarize button. Once the request is processed, the system analyzes the input text and generates a shorter version of containing the most relevant information. Here we can see the granted summary. The main objective is not simplify to cut or truncate the original text. Instead of, system identifies the important sentence based on their relevance and contribution to all the content. So as you can see, the system summarizes the text, and here the input words and output words are given, and the percentage of compression also given and the time. And we are using, there are four summary styles. We are using the brief summary style. Here the top three sentences are given. So now we can briefly explain the working methodology of the behind the TextSage AI. The system workflows using a natural language processing NLP pipeline. First, the input text goes through the preprocessing. During the stage, the text is prepared for further analysis through preprocess, such as tokenization, sentence segmentation, and removal of unnecessary text. After preprocessing, the system performs feature extraction TF-IDF that helps to determine the system the importance of words within the provided text. Words that carry more meaningful information receive greater importance in the analysis. Based on the features, the sentences are evaluated and assigned a relevance score. The system then performs sentence ranking, where the most important sentences are identified. So now finally the highest ranking and most relevant sentences are selected and combined to generate a concise, meaningful summary. So the overall workflow of the system can be represented as input text followed by preprocessing, feature extraction using TF-IDF, then sentence coding and ranking, then final summary generation. From the technical perspective, TextSage AI is developed as a full-stack web application. The frontend is built using React.js, which provides an interactive and responsive user interface. The backend is developed using Python and Flux, which handles the text preprocessing and summarization logic through a REST-based architecture. The core intelligence of the application is based on NLP technique, including text preprocessing, TF-IDF-based tokenization, and sentence coding process. The architecture separates the user interface and the processing logic, make the system easier to maintain and extend for future. The key benefits of TextSage AI that is allows the user to quickly extract the essential information from the lengthy textual content. The platform can be used for preprocessing articles, report, academic content, and other large text base, including documents. So this is the demonstration of TextSage AI, an intelligent text summarization platform designed to transform lengthy content into concise and concise and meaningful context preserving the summaries. Thank you.